How do you write a recipe for something you can't even see? Today, we're cracking chemistry's code.
It all starts with understanding the basic rules of how chemical reactions actually work.
Okay, here's our roadmap. We're going to build our understanding one step at a time. First, let's look at a key observation scientists made about how gases react.
This law gives us a super simple rule for predicting exactly how much stuff we'll get. For example, 1 part nitrogen plus 3 parts hydrogen always makes 2 parts ammonia.
But why these neat, simple ratios? Well, this question leads to a really groundbreaking idea.
The answer is all about connecting the volume of a gas to what's actually inside it. This means volume is basically a way to count molecules without ever having to see them.
Okay, so let's get specific. What exactly are these atoms and molecules we're talking about? Just like any good recipe, you've got to understand your ingredients first.
A simple way to think about it, atoms are the letters and molecules are the words. And these molecules can have different numbers of atoms. Let's look at some examples. This ranges from just 1 atom in helium to 8 atoms in a single sulfur molecule.
So if we can't see them, how in the world do we weigh them? Chemists created a clever system.
It's all about comparing them to a common agreed-upon standard.
This creates a scale that lets us weigh any atom relative to that carbon standard.
So to find a molecule's mass, we just add up the masses of all its atoms.
So with all this, we can now determine a compound's exact chemical formula. All right, now we can finally write the recipe card for any chemical compound. The empirical formula is just the simplest ratio. The molecular formula, that's the real deal.
And this process is actually the key to identifying completely unknown substances.
And that's how chemistry turns these invisible rules into real-world tangible possibilities.